This is Pioneer's GM-ME300X1C, Power Sports and Marine Compact Mono Class D Amplifier. The GM-ME300X1C is IP67 rated for resistance to water and mud. Its combination of power, compact size, and weather resistance makes it the perfect subwoofer amplifier for motorcycles, side-by-sides, ATVs, UTVs, and marine operation. It puts out 300 watts RMS of Class D power to a single channel. Microcomputer-controlled current and voltage protection ensures stable output operation. The amplifier includes a selectable LPF or low-pass filter for your subwoofer. The Pioneer GM-ME300X1C is designed to operate from an 8-ohm load down to a 2-ohm load. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, we're just going to flip this over and open the box. First thing we get here is the owner's manual and the warranty card. Okay, there's the owner's manual and the warranty card. A little bit of packing here, and then we get a hardware pack. Let's open up this hardware pack and take a look inside. We'll dump this out. All right, first thing I get here is the mounting screws and a couple of tools for the amp. And then we have the speaker level to RCA level inputs. Now, this is a mono amplifier, so speaker level, subwoofer input, or speaker level input to RCA. And then, of course, we have the fully weatherproof wire harness connection for the side of the amplifier right here, and all of the wires for the amp. So this is power and ground and system remote control. We have the RCA inputs here, and the speaker level outputs here. Now notice there are two sets of speaker level outputs for running two different subs. This is a mono amplifier. And then we'll pull the amp up out of here. All right. And there is the GM-ME300X1C. The Pioneer GM-ME300X1C is a very compact amp, about the size of a common red brick used to build a house. It measures only 9 5/8 inches, or 243 millimeters long, and 4 1/8 inches, or about 105 millimeters wide, and the amp is just 1 7/8 inches, or 46 millimeters high. This is the exact same chassis size as Pioneer's 4-channel Power Sports and Marine amp, the GM-ME300X4C. The included mounting screws drop directly through the corners of the amp for secure mounting. The wire harness locks into place, creating a weather-tight seal when correctly installed, and can be removed with the supplied wire harness removal tool. The power, ground, input, and output wires are all mounted in one weather-resistant IP67 rated wire harness. IP67 means the amp can get wet, covered with mud, and cleaned off again, and still operate as normal. The Pioneer wire harness system is ignition protected J1171 Marine and ABYC NMMA standard compliant for terminal connections. The controls for the amplifier are under the weather-resistant top panel. 4 screws hold the top panel firmly in place, and a rubber gasket keeps the elements out. This is the input signal selector. Select RCA if you're using RCA inputs directly from the back of your Pioneer in-dash receiver. Select SP for speaker level inputs. A speaker level to line level converter is built into the amplifier. This is the amplifier's gain control. The gain control is not a volume control, but a way to balance the output from the in-dash receiver with the input on the amplifier. If your Pioneer in-dash receiver has 4-volt RCA outputs, I recommend to use the H setting on the amp gain control. If your Pioneer in-dash receiver has 2-volt outputs, I recommend to use the NOR setting on the top of the amplifier gain control. Next up is the selectable crossover frequency control. This is a subwoofer amplifier, and you can choose the LPF or a low-pass filter frequency here. The amplifier will play back all frequencies below the selected frequency. And there are a wide range of crossover frequencies to choose from for that low-pass filter. Next up is the bass boost switch. You can choose a base boost level of 6 dB or 12 dB, or you can choose 0 to switch the bass boost off. After you've completed your installation and system setup, be sure to reinstall the top panel screws firmly with the gasket in place for full weatherproof operation of the amplifier. And that is Pioneer's GM-ME300X1C, Marine and Power Sports Mono Class D amplifier. And what's in the box?